Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we start exercise number 5.3, question number 1 related with chapter number 5, sets in function, class 10, mathematics. Today we are going to start question number 2. It tells that if set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and set C is 5, 6, 9, 10. Then verify with the help of Venn diagram. There are total 4 parts in this question. Part 1 tells that A union bracket B union C bracket close is equal to A union B inside bracket close bracket union C. So verify with the help of Venn diagram. These two sides will be equal to each other. So solution. First we are going to take this side A union B union C. In this we will first find B union C because this is in bracket. So B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union inside B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union, and our C set is 5, 6, 9, 10. 5, 6, 9, 10. Now the union of these two sets will all the elements which participate in both of these two sets. So A union, the union will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the elements include both in both sets. 5, 6 we already take, that's why there is no repetition inside, that's why we are taking a single 5 and 6. We do not take a 5, 6 again. And here after this we will take 9 and 10. So this is the B union C. Now A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union 3, 4, 5. After this 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So their union will all the elements which participate in both of these two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after this 3, 4, 5, 6 we already taken, that's why we do not take it again. After this we are taking 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is A union B union C. Now we are taking this side A union B union C. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union B, B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So their union will all the elements which participate in both of these two sets A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 is already given in this set, that's why we do not take it again. So 7, 8. So their union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now here is union C, so we are taking the union of this set with a C. C is 5, 6, 9 and 10. 5, 6, 9 and 10. So their union will be all the elements participate in both of these two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 is already included in this set, that's why we cannot take it again. So 9, 10 will be taken with this set. So 1, 2, 3 and goes to 10. This is A union B union C, and this side A union B union C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 goes to 10. Both of these sides are equal, 1, 2, 3 to 10 and 1, 2, 3 to 10. It means that it verify. Now they tell that verify these property with help of Venn diagram. So taking the Venn diagram is represented in the form of a rectangle. Let's suppose this is a universal set. This is A set. And this is B set and this is C set. Now we are going to take a common element. This is the common area in between A, B and C. This is the common area in between these are three sets. So the common element is 5, 6, 5 is a common in A, B, C, 5. And after this 6 is common, 6 in both of these three sets. 9 and 10. There is no 9 over here and no 10 over here. So the common element in ABC is 5, 6. That's why we will take 5, 6 in this common area. 5 and 6. The remaining element in A set is 1, 2, 3 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. after this, the remaining element in B set is 3, 4, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. Write it randomly. And C set of, we already taken 5, 6 because of a common area, and we are left with 9 and 10. So write 9 and 10 over here. So here we are talking about union. So in the union, we are taking all the elements which participate in all of these three sets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the shading will be just like this. All the area will be shaded over here. So this is the result, which we will show with the help of a Venn diagram. Move to the second part. It tells that to verify A intersection close bracket B intersection C is equal to close bracket A intersection B and intersection C. First we are going to find this side A intersection solution. A intersection B intersection C. First we will solve the B intersection C because this is in bracket. So B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and C is 5, 6, 9, 10. So you know that intersection are all those elements which common in both of these two sets B and C. So you know that the common element in BC is just 5 and 6. We already learned in the previous part of this question number 2. So the intersection BC will be 5 and 6, so common element. Here is intersection and A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here is the intersection, so the common element will be our result. So common element is 5 and 6 in both of these two sets. So the whole result is 5 and 6. Now taking this side A intersection B and intersection C and verify it with the help of a Venn diagram after simplification. So first we are simplify A intersection B. So the common element in A set and B set is 3, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4 and after this 5, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are the common element in both of these two sets. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is an intersection sign and after this C is 5, 6, 9 and 10. So now here the common element are 3, 4, 5, 6. So the common element are just 5 and 6. So the whole result will be 5 and 6. So this side gives a value 5, 6 and this side also gives a 5, 6. Both sides are equal. It means that it verify the property with the help of Venn diagram. Now we are moved to verify it with the help of Venn diagram. So this is a rectangle. This is a universal set and let's suppose this is A set and let's suppose this is B set and let's suppose this is a C set. Now this is the common area in between A, B and C. So the common element are 5 and 6 in these three sets. So the common element will be written over here 5 and 6. In A set we are left with 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Write it randomly. And set B we are left with 3, 4 and 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. And set C we are left with just 9 and 10. So you know that intersection are the common element. So the result over here it gives us 5, 6 and it also gives 5, 6. So the shading will be just in the common area. So this is the result with the help of a Venn diagram. Now move to the third part of question number 2. It tells that A union bracket B intersection C will be equal to the bracket A union B intersection bracket A union C. First we are going to find and simplify this side. And this side we are taking A union B intersection C. First we are going to simplify B intersection C because this is in bracket. So B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and C is 5, 6, 9, 10. And here is an intersection sign in between B and C. So the common element are 5 and 6 we already find in the previous part. So the B intersection C will be 5 and 6. Here is a union sign, not intersection, union. And A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So union all those elements which participate in both of these two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be our union. There is no need to take 5, 6 again because there is no repetition in sets. Now we are going to find this side A union B intersection A union C. Find A union B. So A union B will all those elements which participate in both of these two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 will be A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6, 7, 8. And here is an intersection sign. And A union C will all elements participate in both of these two sets A and C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is 9, 10. So take 9, 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 and 10. So here now, if we look here is an intersection sign. So intersection, all those elements which participate are common in both of these two sets. So the common elements are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. And 9, 10, and there is no 9, 10, so there is no common element. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This side gives us 1, 2, 3 to 6, and this side gives us 1, 2, 3 to 6. Both sides are equal. It means that this property is right. Now we are going to prove it with the help of a Venn diagram. So Venn diagram will be just like this. Here is a universal set, taking A set and also taking another set B and taking another set C. So the common element in ABC is 5, 6. So 5, 6 will be right over here. And A set is 1, 2, 3 to 4. 1, 2, 3 to 4. And set B is we are left with 3, 4 to 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, and 8. And set C we are left with 9 and 10. Here is the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So the shaded area will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the verification with the help of a Venn diagram. Now move to the last part of question number 2. A intersection B union C will be equal to the A intersection B U A intersection C. In this question, you are going to find first of B union C, and after this, take the intersection of B union C with A. This will be equal to the first take A intersection B. So the result will be taking a union with the result of A intersection C. So now we are going to verify it. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here is an intersection sign. And B union C will be all the elements participate in B and C. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So the result will be the common element because of intersection. So the common element are 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6 will be the result. Now here A intersection B. So the common element in AB is 3, 4, 5, 6. So A intersection B will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is a union sign. And A intersection C will be the common element in A and C. So the common element are just 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So the union with all element participate in both of these two sets. So 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 5, 6. We will take just 1, 5 and 1, 6 because there is no repetition inside. It gives 3, 4, 5, 6 and it also gives 3, 4, 5, 6. Both sides are equal. It means the property is right. Now we are proof it with the help of Venn diagram. Draw a rectangle. Take a universal set. Take a set. Take another set B. And take another set C over here. The common element are 5 and 6 in both in A, B, C set. In A set we are left with 1, 2, 3 to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 randomly. And here we are left with 3, 4, 7. B we are left with 3, 4, 7, 8 and set C we are left with 9 and 10. The result is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3, 4, 5, 6 in both cases. That's why we will just shade here is intersection B union. So the result will be 3, 4 and 5, 6. That's why we will just shade this area 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So this is the result with the help of Venn diagram. With this question I finished my lecture. In the next video inshallah we will solve question number 3 related with exercise number 5.3. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive each and every upcoming notification related with mathematics. Thank you.